available, so it is the hours can fluctuate. So I will have to find a job that will be understanding. And a lot of times those jobs don't pay much.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
To give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, the court notes that Joshua Marshall was served April 24th, 2025, and no answer has been made, so the case is right for default. Go ahead and proceed, Mr. Tatum.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother here in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Sarah Sabala.
And Ms. Sabala, there was a prior order from October 2022. Is that correct?
Yes.
And we are here today to modify that order, correct?
Yes, sir.
And how does your child currently receive insurance? Is it through the state or through your employer?
Through the state.
And the state had to use the father's reported income from his employer with a gross monthly income of $6,041 to calculate support today, and we will request that the father pays medical support in the amount of $250, giving credit for one additional child. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes, sir.
And you're requesting that your information, such as your address and telephone number, be withheld from this record. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, as it relates to the issue of child support, the state again has used the reported income from the non-custodial parent's employer, giving credit for one additional child, and we will request that child support be set at $822. Are you in agreement to that amount?
No, sir.
Could you explain to the court why you don't agree to the father paying support based off of his income?
I've had to support my son ever since he left. We had the house fire. It's been very stressful, and we've gotten a diagnosis for my child. And I just feel that he needs more than, any, I guess you could say standard child. And I feel that 822 is not enough. He requires long distance therapy for hours, and it affects my job or affects, my work schedule, and it'll cut into my work. And yeah.
All right. Do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court at this time?
No.
Nothing further from this party, Your Honor?
Besides the taking off of work, or I guess let's start there. How many hours a week are you not able to work because of the child's issues?
Right now, I am not working, Your Honor. So whenever I find another job, which I'm currently looking for, it'll have to be very structured, because I have to take him to his therapy to and from, and the hours of his therapy are based on on the clinic's convenience, if they have stuff available. So it is the hours can fluctuate. So I will have to find a job that will be understanding. And a lot of times those jobs don't pay much.
So give me a kind of a, I don't know how many times you go to therapy and how many hours. So that's what I'm trying to understand.
Okay. He goes 3 times a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And on Wednesday, it's only for 2 hours. On Tuesday and Thursday, it's for 4 hours. So
okay. And those are usually during regular work hours?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Besides that, what other expenses you have that are outside of the normal taking care of a child?
I have to travel there. It is a distance. That's the nearest location that we could get in.
I don't know where that is, ma'am. So you kind of have to tell me how far you're going, because I don't know where you live and where the place is. So tell me miles.
About 12 miles away.
Okay.
You get on the highway as well.
Okay. Are there any other expenses you have that are different?
Yes, sir. He requires certain tools that he needs. We had to create a book for him to learn how to communicate. And there will be more things as well. We're still in the beginning process.
Okay, as of right now, what are the disabilities or the special needs of the child?
Autism spectrum disorder on level 3. So he cannot communicate or, advocate for himself. And also he is ADHD. And I did submit the diagnosis to the coordinator as well.
Okay, and the father's not helping you with any of those kinds of things?
That's correct. We've gotten the diagnosis a year ago, and I had to handle that on my own. I told him about it, and he was not supportive at all.
Okay. Does he have other children besides this child?
I'm aware he has one. I don't think he's, yes, sir. He has one. I'm not sure how active he is. I'm not sure.
Okay, I don't need to know that. I just need to know how many other children he has. Okay, so I'm granting default judgments. We're doing government and medical. Medical support is $250 a month. We're doing non-disclosure of your address. I'm going to set child support at $1,000 based on the special needs of the child. So we're doing a little bit above guidelines. I can't set it at I think that's probably about the higher limit I could set it at because of the special needs of the child. So it's not going to be the 822. It'll be 1,000. I can't set it at some other higher number because it wouldn't. He has to have a place to, has to have money for himself as well. So I am increasing it, still a considerable amount of money there, and because of the special needs of the child. Court calls bill to him. All right. The Attorney General's office will draft an order and email you a copy, and then they'll send out a new withholding order to his employer for that new amount beginning in August. All right, you are done with court, ma'am. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
And, we do